Okay, guys, welcome to part 2 of Sniper video. In this video, without wasting any time, we'll look at the market because we are late. We are late for pre-New York Open. Now we are about to see New York Open. Okay? Without wasting any time, let me try and see if I can find opportunities from the market today. What I like to do, this is deep, by the way. This is deep. Make sure that you understand everything that we talked about from your structure videos, price action videos, before you can come into this video. Because here we break everything. Like we break candles to the last bone here. This is what is going to happen. Daily, we are going to trade only these two candles. My bad. But it is what it is. We are going to trade only these two candles. And then why two candles? We are supposed to trade one candle, but it's a reference to the other candle. Okay, this is what you have to do. You have the knowledge of structure with you. You have the knowledge of price action patterns with you, but you have to put that. Is the reason why you have to master that knowledge, by the way. You need to master that knowledge so that when you come here, you are not lost, because this analysis will be seen as if we have left out that things. But no, we have them back in our head. Like we treat them unconsciously, we analyze them unconsciously. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get to it. What I like to do here is that I like to look at the market and try to see what is the market trying to show me, trying to give me. I take note of this candle close. And why I said two candles, because right now this candle has 9 hours 40 minutes to close. It opened from my side African time from 11 o'clock, around that time. So it has already happened. So, and then because for a day trading, we'll look at this previous candle and then try to spot what will happen. Then candle psychology plays a role here, plays a major part here. Candle psychology, guys. By candle psychology, I mean you go back to your candlesticks and then try to identify what happened here. Let me try to highlight to you, just for educational purpose, what I think happened here. So we have, it seems like we have a shadow down, we have candles, then we have a shadow up. This is what happened. For shadow down, it means that this is what happened. The candle, what is this? What is the color here? What did I open? Okay, for shadow down, it means that when the candle opened, it opened here. Okay, it opened and went down. You will see the importance. You will see the importance here, guys. It went down. Candles went down. Then, after, guys, this is so powerful. After what happened, then it went up to this level right here. Then it went up. What happened after? It went back down to this, up to this area somewhere here. Okay, let me explain. This is the reason why you see a wick here, and you see a body here. Let me explain that part. Allow me to do that. This is what is happening. This body you see is this area right here. This wick you see is this area right here. Is this area right here. And here we are talking about, I'm referring to H1, H4 is just 6 candles. I'm referring to H1 and M30. Let's see if it allows us to mark it. Come on, candle. It doesn't want us to mark it alone. Okay. Okay, forget about these two moves. We want to see this. Sorry. We want to see this happening in a lower time frame. H4 is just the candles. What is inside? Forget about this. We are focusing here. H1 is 24 candles. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. 24 candles, and where are we? H and 30. And then let's take it to line graph. It opened, what did we say about the open? Okay, it was left there. It opened, let's go back to daily, because I want this to make sense, guys. Like, I want this to make sense. I want this to make sense to you. I'll bet on this one right here. Okay, I said it opened here, went down, went up, and went back down. The thing that disturbs us is this right here. This candle opened what time? At what time? This is 27th January 28th. Today's 28th, ne? 27th January. Let's go. Let's go mark it from 27th January. 26, no, we don't want you 26, we want 27. 27, starting from here to 27. 28, 27 to 27, 28, 27. Yes. So, guys, it opened here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. How it pays. It opened here. It went down here. Then it went up here. Then it came back, went down here. Let me explain what happened here. Then I said it went down somewhere here. And I will explain why. Then I left this move. I can even leave this. I can say not even opening here. Opened somewhere around here. This area. Oh, this is it. It opened here. And then it closed somewhere there. What happened is that this one, they will cancel each other. The reason why you see it's bullish, bearish, bullish, right? Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, small bearish, but bullish, 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 bearish, bullish. So obviously, if this cancels this, this remains. This will cancel this, this will remain, but this will remain. So that's why we have a bullish body there. Then as it opens, went down, this cancelled each other. This cancelled each other again. This is very important, guys. It's very important to understand what happened. If I draw this like this, it's what I've shown. Oh, and it was on H1. Let's try and find it out on M30. It was on H1, but that is very important, guys. That is very important to notice that it opened, went down, went up, come back, went down here. Okay. Then let me go back. Oh, I removed everything. It doesn't matter. So, like I said, I will only focus on these two candles right here. Then what I will do is that after this candle, I saw that this candle engulfed that. So the next candle should be obvious, bullish. Then look at the momentum of candles. Look at the momentum of candles. This is big, this is small, smaller than this. Is the reason why we might even experience either a small, after this day close, we might experience maybe another small bullish candle or a bearish candle relative to this one right here. So what will happen is that from this point, that's where I call the short. I have this level. I don't even use it. Let me call daily line. Okay, my daily line. I'll have another one here. 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 I'll have maybe other one here. Maybe to have the last one here. And also here. This is what is going to happen. I'm an intraday trader. I trade a session. After a session, I expect to be done unless if I have a big move. Okay? Then what I trade is ranges. I expect ranges here. I expect to trade over 20 pips here. This is 15 pips. If it's worth it, I might take it. This is 18 pips. Anyway, that's what the market is choosing to give me. And this range right here that I don't like, it's around about 19, 18 pips. And then this one is smaller range, 10 pips, 5 pips, just like that, 13 pips. These are the ranges that I will trade now. I will make sense very soon. Then from here, these ones, they don't matter that much. What matters, I'll come in here. What matters will be here. This will matter a lot to me. Then template, modified. This is a level. No, this is a level. Come on. Okay. Okay, let me move that one. This is a level. These are the areas that matters a lot. When I'm in them, it's like things happen. See? And these areas, this is where the price like to cross me. These are the areas that matters most to me. These are the areas that matters most to me. Hence I'm trading ranges. Then we'll look at this 19 pips. Okay. Then let's look at this range now. 16 pips. Start to make sense a little bit. 12 pips, 13 pips. I don't usually trade this unless if I find something. I will opt to go for at least maybe fill this week. 15 pips, go higher, 30 pips. I'll be happy for that, for what market gives me. Then I'll go to my H4. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to put them as psychological level rounded numbers. So here I will have this, then I will put it here. Then this one, let me leave it here because it accommodates both those ones. Is the reason why this was a range. The support resistance at least in the middle. The reason why we have a range here. And then this one right here. Okay, it's okay right here. And the levels are okay. Oh, we started with GBP/JPY. I thought it was Euro USD. So what I expect here to happen here, this will stop me. I'm expecting now the price at least to try to, I'm trading these ranges. I'm trading these ranges at this point. There's nothing much to talk about in H4. That will start to make sense here. Then I need clean traffic in order for me to trade. I need clean traffic. Why did I go there? I need clean traffic in order for me to trade. By clean traffic, I mean I don't need this support resistance, so much support and resistance, so price can be indecisive here. I will catch 2 pips after 5 pips, 2 pips, then I'm being stopped, you see? This is what I would like to call this no trade zone. And then I've seen it before that it was no trade zone because it was bullish and bearish at the same point. If you can remember, let's go back. You see, I saw this as no trading zone. So what I will do, I will wait at least for price to come here, then I will trade this level. I will wait for price to come break here. Then let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's tradable. This is so clean. I can even be stopped. I can be stopped here, but I can even reach this level and pass it. This is what I like to trade. So here is the key. Why are we trading this, and how do we trade this? How do we find trades? How do we find more trades on this? This is a sniper trade. What happens is that you identify this area. After identifying this area, this is a push. You see, it's a push. When it pulled back, you want to get the pullback, but you don't get a pullback maybe according to this doji inverted hammer or what. Instead, we look for, let's go to our template. Instead, we look for consolidation area. This is a consolidation area. You can take this also. We look for consolidation area. When seeing this consolidation area, we want this box to break, to be broken, to break in any direction. In any direction. At this point, because we see this area, this is a support, right? On support level, we wait to see consolidation. We wait to see fight. After classic fight, we wait to see who loses, who wins. Because as you can see, the bearish came in, then they were stopped here by bullish. Then as they were fighting inside this box, inside this ring, then the bullish gained power and went out. And if you enter, there's an impulse entry, which is something that we are not going to focus on at this moment, at this point. If you entered maybe based off 15 minutes, you will enter. This is where the sniper part comes in. You marked that based off 30 minutes. By the way, most of the time we enter based off 30 minutes. You marked that based off 30 minutes, right? This is where your structure plays part. This level, you want it to break. You want a candle to break at least this level, to break and close above this level, not wicks, but the candle close. Then this candle came in and closed above them. This is an entry candle. What do we do? When we see this kind of a candle, we go long. After this candle is closed, this is how I entered the trade yesterday. Then lower than this candle. Then we aim for this part. Remember when I said 1:1 risk reward ratio? At this point is the reason why I trailed my stop. Though I was looking to go in, all in, is the reason why I trailed my stop at that point. Then I was going to go out. I was supposed to not going to go out because you didn't know. You will never know when you will go out. I was supposed to go out maybe after this candle close, because maybe with using the inverted hammer candlestick pattern telling me that the price is about to go down, I was gonna go out with 2% risk reward ratio. But most of the time, this is what I like about the setups. Most of the time they will work out for you, and they work more in confluence with others. If the price action pattern plays right here at this point, and you find out structure also plays part at this point, now they work massively. Is the reason why yesterday's trade I had so much I had so much confidence in yesterday's trade, but I messed up by moving stop loss. Because what happened is that I know that when that trade plays out, it plays out. It will give you more than 1:5 most of the time. So that is our money making trade. So what happened is that this is exactly what happened to me yesterday. I entered based off this after seeing it going up, moving what? Having to move there, having to move the stop loss just to break just below this. And then it hit my stop loss. After hitting my stop loss, it has to go up. So now that I know, I learned a lesson from that. Okay, let me not remove this because this is a reference. Now that I know that happened, what I will do is that I will wait for price to come and create a classic fight here. And this is how we measure profit, by the way. We know 1:1. Starting from there, that's where we take profit. You see, 1:1. I was supposed to take profit, and it makes sense. It makes sense, guys. You see, it will find support or resistance elsewhere. It makes sense. 1:1 first take, then 1:1.2, 1:1.3, then after 1:1, hoping that you will get 1:2, hoping to get this, but it rejected, and it does that. It does reject. Hoping 1:2, then it reject with small pips, few pips, 3 pips. My theory, 3 pip rejection. At this time, it was 1 pip rejection, about one pip rejection, 3 pip rejection. So after seeing this rejection here, maybe on a lower time frame, it tells you that no, bruh, it is time for you to go out. If you put based off this support, it was supposed to hit you, but you go early. So it is what it is. For this trade, I will wait to create another mystery box here to go up, because my buyers are with uptrend at this point to go up. But I will refer to what? I will take this trade and I will refer to my other setups there, whether they do. This is the reason why I call it a high confluence area. So even if when people are not making money in the market, we are always in and out, because I could have entered here 1, 2, 3, 1.5 hour, went out. You see, around London session. That, and by the way, I remember this. Okay, this is not that. Sorry, I thought it was the trade that I was waiting to break structure. I was waiting for to break structure. I remember it's AUD USD. But let's go back there to structure. Yes, it's AUD USD, the one that I said I will be happy if it breaks this level and go up. Okay, so here this is what I will wait for. I will wait for price to create some mystery box area for mystery box, and I will go up, and then I will catch 15 to 19, 20 pips with a 7, 8 pip stop loss. Then I will wait for that to happen. If it doesn't happen, if it comes back, if it comes in here, what is happening here? If it comes in here, then I'll have to wait. I'll even have to wait until it passes this area. Even have this area, I wouldn't be that satisfied. But once it passes this area, then I know that I will wait. I will get the trade up to this level. This trade is all about having clean traffic on the side. On your left hand side, you must have a clean traffic. We knew that after mystery box has been broken, we'll come in here, then we'll be stopped somewhere around here. Is the reason why we had a range. We said we trade ranges. Then let's go and see AUD USD, and maybe we'll try to cover something that we missed here. AUD USD, clean chart. Let's go to daily. Wow. Whoa. Why didn't we see this close? Because this was quick fill. around Asian session we could have came in here. Then look at this. Wow, this is so nice. 19 pips, around 66 pips. So what do? First thing first, we said we trade one candle. We see it bearish, then wick filled, and then the momentum is still bearish, and then we are 9 hours away for this candle to close. We have 9 hours. Then we won't waste time here. Just put support and resistance. Okay. I would like to use the psychological levels here. 951,000, that will be 700, that will be 7,000, that will be 7,000, this will be 750, 800, rounded number, remember. What next? I see this level, I will see this level. Anyway, they don't matter, those ones. The one that matters are these ones. 650. The one that matters are these ones. Because of this week, that week. The one that matters are these ones, guys. This level matters. It means that it broke here. It's going down. You see? And it's going down where? It's going down now. It is at what? It is at, remember where we were? It is at 76.8 going to 80%, I think. Or 61, still at 61.8. Okay. Approaching this area. A lot of things are happening here, guys. So what I will do, okay, this one, it can stop me. And then this one right here. But let me put these ones as randoms. I know that they can stop me, but let me just put them as randoms and deal with the major ones. They are the ones that matters here. Then we go to H4, or let's put the levels. This one, break support. We have this area right here. We have this area right here. And then we might have this. Okay, let's put this as a lane. And we have this area right here. And it even complies with fib levels. And then let's just take this for a ride, because we will want this as time goes. Then let's go back, because we said we are expecting to get the trade from here to that level, guys. We expect to get a trade from here at least to this level, 20-30 pips. If not, we expect to get a trade from this area to that area, which is about 40 pips. If it is not too late yet. Okay, we said what is important. Traffic is very important here. We have clean traffic here. Either way, we have clean traffic here. So according to 4 hour, we are still good. Any level that we might need, it might be this area right here, to put it here. And we are going to do that a lot of times. We are going to do that, yes. So no, this one is okay. What we are looking for right here, let's see this range after this break, 20 pips. We are looking for consolidation, mystery box, break, come here. That's it. That's what we are looking for. this mystery box can break. It is not enough 10 pips unless it creates another candle, because it is not enough to trade this, because it can stop us here, but since it's failed here, it can come in, it can come here. So this trader could have taken this trade based off structure right here. After this candle close, candle variation, after this third candle variation, after this candle close, I could have taken this as a structure trade, then put it here, then wait for it to come, and then what was going to be risk reward. And please know that by not taking a trade is trading. And then for structure, we don't want this. For structure, we wait for something like this. This is how it played out. So 1:4, 1:5. So now what I will do with it, I will try to find a mystery box, because even here it can turn, the price can come back. I'll try to find a mystery box here. My mystery box. So another thing that I don't like about having to draw mystery boxes here, though they work, not enough candles to consolidate. You see, after this candle close, if this candle close, it has about 10 minutes to close here. After this candle close, I can target this area, but I'm aware of this area. So if it closes just a little bit here, then I'll put my stop loss about 8 pips away to gain 8 pips. 1:1. Like I told you that it works, this setup 1:1. Then aiming to get 22, 23, 24. 1:3. That can work. But I will be happy if this close inside and create another, give us another candle right here. Then it can give us the last one that will close below. Then we go down. So here, I don't want to be caught out here. I want, what is happening with my batteries now? Now let's wait for break. What's happening? Let's wait for break. This has been running. Let's wait for break. If it breaks here, I told you that if it breaks here, now the only way that I will take a trade, if it breaks here, yes, I might. But if it breaks here, I will definitely wait for it. I will definitely wait for it, and then I will start to create my mystery box here, the one that I will be comfortable with. I can even see 5 pips. I can even have it here, but monitoring it here, I can even have it here just to play around, to give me just enough. And then if it breaks here, then I can enter to go to this area, to that area. I will monitor this area, wait for break here, and then what else? This one, since I'm waiting for break everywhere, I wait for break either here or there. Then what else am I waiting for? Potential target TP1 will be here. TP1 will be here. Then my also TP1, I will look at it here. TP1 also here, as I monitor the price. But remember, this keeps me, you see, we haven't talked anything about price action pattern, anything, but I'll keep an eye on price action patterns to see where am I here. If I find that, because now we saw that we are on 61.8%, if it breaks above, then it's a sign that the structure will be broken here. You see? Then we go back to lower time frame, we'll see, or we'll find a break of structure. You see, according to this, if I was entering on lower time frame, I was going to take this trade, and it's going to come like that. We see break of structure here, and as we see break of structure here, then we enter. It tells us that 61.8, now the price is ready to move back up. You see, that's the high confluence part of it. Okay guys, this was the longest video, and I hope you have a strength to watch it again in order to consolidate these things. And this is where we are going to wrap up with our videos. Please make sure, take note that you must first master structure. It's very important. This is the structure is the base of our trading. Then make sure again that you master price action patterns. Those things are easy, but you have to follow the rules. Then after, don't even come here. This is no child's play. Don't even come here. Make sure that you are consistent first with those two setups. After being consistent with those two setups, then you can come in here knowing that even if this is not working for you, there's somewhere to go to. But I promise you, if you are consistent there, you won't have a problem here. This is like 80% foolproof setups according to backtesting. Only if you follow the rules. You wait for break above, you take a trade. And how do you take a trade? After it has broken, you wait for after the mystery box has broken. If it has broken above, you take a trade above that. Let me find example of a trade. Here it is. At this area, we marked this area of course. Then you had your mystery box. And how is your mystery box? Support and resistance. You find this here. Okay, it's fine. Then this broke below. You sell, stop loss. Then you targeted here. Then it went here, it pulled back. It went, pulled back here, then came down. This is how, but our target will be like, we'll wait. As we see price rejecting us right here, maybe coming here, breaking even, maybe taking 80% off. One other thing, risk management is very important. As you see it playing, after it has played the way you wanted it to play, even more, take half of the profit, take 80% of the profit, leave, and then break even. Just break even, leave everything to play out, because you took almost everything that you were, the price did everything that you wanted it to do, right? Then as it will come here, what happened? Turn down. You never know how much it will give you. Even from here, it can even break this level and continue going down. Okay? Then here, after seeing this, you can take again, after seeing this, you can also take 50-80% of the next profit. Leave it run then. As you see, now that you're targeting it, as you see it coming back, if it breaks above, maybe you'll be okay. You'll say that, no, you know what, I'm okay with it. Then that's okay. Leave it. You can now then go out. That's the power of risk management. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let me leave this here, and then behind the scene, I'll be waiting for this, and I'll analyze this, and I'll check other charts, and I will go to GBP JPY because we had mystery box, and I wanted that to create a mystery box. You see what it did now. What happened is that it went up. The important thing is not to conclude while the candle. I cannot say anything, even if this candle being like this. I cannot say that this candle will close bullish because I have 3 minutes. Under 3 minutes, a lot can happen here. Okay guys, so while I'm still waiting and watching price here, I hope you do your homework, you do your work. The most important thing is for you to do your work. You have to do your work here in order for you to be regarded as profitable trader, because you have to see it happening. By learning, by just watching me doing this, it won't work to you because you've never done it. There are a lot of there's a lot of emotions that are taking place here. So you have to do it. You have to take several trades. Then as you do it, you will even see other things that I don't see here, because I was never taught this strategy here. The only thing that I was taught was back the price action pattern videos. I bought a course on that, and then the structures. I used both of those because I had challenges on entering the trades, maintaining my trades. So I had to go back to drawing board. I couldn't buy a course. I had to do it, and I had to find out what is it that I was doing wrong. And only my problem was entry. So that's how I came up with this strategy here. Okay, guys, see you on the next sessions, because we are not going to leave you like this. Whenever there's an update, we'll update you. Whenever we analyze, feel like we make record, we'll always update you. And things that we see that we missed here, even the update of this course, because if you are in this course right now, know that you are lucky, because you got what? You got the first course of everything. There will be updates here. As you can see, even the language is not yet good enough, because it's not scripted. Some of the words, when we speak, you will even struggle to find words to explain things, because this is the first time. This is the first thing. You know what they say, first time is the worst. So with this course, the update that will come to it from here, then will be rectifying the mistakes that we see, most especially things that I personally noticed is that whenever I was speaking, the language, by the way, but the content is clear, the content is standard, the content is set, only the language part. But remember that you are not here to judge my language, but you are here to judge what is it that I have for you. So never judge this course by the language, because it is not my mother tongue. I can speak more than 5 languages apart from this one. So I don't see it fit for you to judge me based off language, because maybe I don't have an adequate what can I say, before I even lose everything. I will see you guys in the updates of this course. So please make sure that you practice, make sure that you understand everything, you repeat everything here until you understand. And this is the last resort. When finding yourself here, know that you are good to go, being a good trader. Okay, see you guys.